I want to show you something really cool. What we're going to do is, I have this video that I've pulled up on YouTube. I'm going to select that URL and copy it to my clipboard. I've watched part of it. It's kind of cheesy. It's like somebody wrote a script and then had an AI speak it. It doesn't quite work for me. And I don't want to watch, the blah-de-blah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to go into ChatGPT-4. I'm going to make sure plugins are enabled. I've got to do this every time, which is really lame. And you'll notice that we have, actually, let me just zoom in on that for a second. You'll notice that in the plugins, there's VideoInsights.io, and you can enable that by going into the plugin store and doing a search for it. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT to access that video. Now, normally it can't do that. It certainly can't do it without the plugin. It has limited internet connection, but because we have that plugin enabled, we can do this. Please look at this video and extract the main points. Dunk. Okay, so what it's doing right now is accessing the video on YouTube. It's going through the audio, and I don't think it's going through the transcript, but basically it's analyzing, what the new GPT-5 model can do, extracting this from the video. And all right, that's pretty good. It's a little bit tough to read, right? So what I'm going to do is this. Please output this as a series of bullet points in an outline format. All right, now, here we go. Much better, right? So multimodal mode, which means it'll be able to do text and image inputs and produce text outputs. It'll be able to, I thought it can already do that. I didn't know it could do creating images. That'll be interesting. Longer, more complex inputs, outputs due to larger memory and attention span. Reduce self-deprecation, get better at mathematics. Better at remembering things and being consistent. It will have new video and audio inputs and outputs. Video, interesting. There will be gesture control, facial expression, and emotion detection. We also have, it'll be high quality and affordable education. It's set to launch in late 2023 and will be free for anyone to use. It's going to be ethical and safe because you got to please the lawyers. We also have, let's see, the future will be more versatile, adaptable, and scalable and accessible. Blah, blah, blah. I like this one. Acknowledges competition from other big players like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft, but welcomes it as it fosters innovation and progress. Bring it on, bro. All right, so now you have an idea of, how to expand the capabilities of ChatGPT to, summarize videos. And then I could take this summary and do all sorts of stuff with it. Like, I think I'll just post that into the video blog post so that you can check it out at your leisure. Thanks.